Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Uplay Activation Code on Steam. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So to do this, you will need to open Steam and log into your account. And after that, what you're gonna need to do is to access the library. Choose the game you're interested in and right click on it and then click on to manage in the drop down menu. And after that, select CD keys. Copy that key, and now that you copied the key, what you're gonna need to do next is to open up the Ubisoft app. Make sure you have the Ubisoft app installed in your computer and not just the website. Log into your Ubisoft account, and once you do, click onto the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen and then select activation key. As you can see, now paste in the CD key that you just copied earlier and make sure it has the same format as it's shown down here. For example, 4A's, 4B's, 4C's and 4D's. Other format, 3A's, 4B's, 4C's, 4D's and 4E's. Once you paste in the key, go ahead and click onto the blue tab that says Activate, and you will successfully activate your Uplay code even though you bought it on Steam. So that's it, that's how to find Uplay Activation Code on Steam. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.